In accounting, debit does not mean bad and credit does not mean good. They are not the same as bank statements. Debit and credit are simply labels we use to record changes so that everything stays balanced. Accounting is built on balance. Every transaction affects at least two accounts. If one account changes, something else must change as well. That's why we use double-entry bookkeeping, one debit and one credit. This keeps the accounts balanced at all times. If the books don't balance, something is wrong. Accounting starts with one simple idea. Everything the business owns is funded by someone. That gives us the basic accounting equation. Assets equals liabilities plus equity. Assets are what the business owns. Liabilities are what the business owes. Equity is the owner's claim. So everything the business owns is funded either by creditors or by owners. This equation must always balance. If one side changes, the other side must change too. Now, in practice, equity doesn't change on its own. It changes because of revenue, expenses, and dividends. Revenue increases equity, expenses decrease equity, dividends decrease equity. So we expand the equation to show what actually drives equity. Assets plus expenses plus dividends equals liabilities plus equity plus revenue. Look at the left side of the equation. Left side has assets, expenses, and dividends. They increase with debits. Right side has liabilities, equity, and revenue. They increase with credits. Now let's compare two situations. The business earns £500 revenue. The business pays £200 rent. Revenue account increase. Equity goes up, credit side. Expense account increase. Equity goes down, debit side.